Commissioned in 1634, architect Francesco Borromini designed the little church of San Carlo alle Quattro Fontane in Rome, Italy. This church features an oval ground plan which differed from the traditional rectangular church plan. Convex curves replaced where corners would have been. Borromini succeeded in creating a unified spatial element by creating a continuous system of rhythmically placed columns along the narrow bay of walls. Its undulating facade and complex features characterize the church as a prime example of Baroque architecture. The San Carlino sits on a small corner of two busy streets. Borromini sought to create something quite original for the Roman art world that separated his name from Bernini. This monastery features the church, sacristy, refectory, library, and the dormitory, as well as a small cloister. The petiteness of San Carlino has been illustrated by saying that it could be housed within one of the piers that holds up St. Peter's Dome. Repetition and alteration of inverted forms help give this church its mythical quality and grandeur. This is created in its rhythmic and rippling facade. Inside, an oval dome is featured with a complex design of interlocking geometric shapes. The oval dome creates a sanctified space while it helps elongate the small space allocated for the dome. Borromini's interlocking shapes diminish in size to heighten the dome, making it appear taller than it really is. As the space was intended as a unit, its spatial elements should be articulated rather than decomposed into individual elements. Such spatial elements are fused as opposed to combined. The traditional longitudinal oval and the Greek cross scheme are fused to create a biaxial spatial element. Borromini's conventional organization of arches and oval rings calls to the verticality of the structure, while the layering and repetitive use of forms calls to the horizontality of the structure. Such unity helps transform the complex circumference of the main space to the oval dome. Though unified with its defining elements, the walls of the main space appear to push inwards, bringing the viewer's eye upwards. This transition allows for transformation to the space above, which is highlighted by the dome. Overall, Borromini succeeded in creating flexibility within the small space he was given.